Hello, good morning, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Julia. I'm a first-year student at Northeastern University, and today's video is going to be my new week in the life because it's spring semester 2022, and we got a new schedule. So currently walking in a little dusty in the snow, which is kind of exciting. Just remember to subscribe and check out all my socials because that's where I post more often. I keep forgetting to post on here. My first class today is comparative politics, and yeah, so anyway, come along. Okay, my Spanish class just finished, so I'm actually done for the day, which is really nice. And now I'm going to get food in International Village. Yep, and then we're gonna figure it out from there. So here we go. Just checking in because I totally forgot to vlog yesterday. I really didn't do much more last night, so I decided not to vlog. And then what you just saw was me doing journalism on Zoom this morning. Unfortunately, we had to start on Zoom because of the professor's COVID situation. And then my second class was American government. And that class was like, it's a big lecture, and it's a topic that I like, but it's just kind of a slow way of teaching it. Anyway, now I'm at the gym. I have to do a training session tonight for my job. So I'm gonna be here for a pretty short amount of time and then go do that. Here's a tour of the gym. And there's a whole other side of like weight room, lifting kind of stuff that was really cool, but this is just the side I'm staying on today. So yeah, let's do it. Hello, so I've been pretty terrible about vlogging. It's just been like the weirdest week ever. So we're heading up now. Hopefully I got some good footage of yesterday, but basically I had my comparative politics class again, and then I had my favorite class of the week, which was a small like 1 hour journalism class, and then I had another class for the first time that's also a journalism class, 1 hour a week. I was supposed to introduce you to like the journalism major at Northeastern. So those are the three classes I did yesterday, and then I just basically like went and ran and got some pretty simple stuff done. And now we're going to my first class of Thursday, which is comparative politics again. Hello, I am back. I just did a big grocery run here and everything else is in the fridge. Spanish class after comparative politics, and that was chill. I feel like everyone in that class is so friendly, and I mean it's like kind of what I did in high school, but I haven't like done like proper Spanish in like at least a year, if not two. So it's good like review, and it's just for a requirement, so we're doing it. I'm auditioning to be a choreographer for the No Limits crew. There's a lot of people auditioning to be a choreographer, so we shall see. But I'm doing a really fun jazz heels piece, so now I'm gonna go probably down to the 5th floor where we have some more space and try practicing that dance because I want to make sure it's all ready to go. And then after that, I have some reading to get done. I got some good reading done last night. I haven't been vlogging a lot of like my studying, but I promise I'm studying. That's how most of the stuff that you're not seeing that you think you're missing, it's all studying. So yep, that's pretty much it. Let's go do it. Alright, I at the audition. My slot is in like 15 minutes, so I'm gonna warm up real quick, go over my choreography, and fingers crossed. So here we go. Okay, audition went so well. I'm still waiting for the results. I'll get them tonight. But we're at dinner because, yeah, it's a new restaurant. Fun stuff. Good morning. I found out last night that I got the choreographer position. So that's so exciting. I'll be teaching a jazz heels piece this semester. Now I'm going to my first class on Friday, which is journalism. This is the one that's our last day online before we finally move back in person for this class specifically. But I have a class right after, so I just do the class in the building of my next class. So yeah. So actually what ended up happening is my professor works at he actually runs a PR firm, and we have a big nor'easter coming tomorrow, and so obviously like that's consuming a lot of his work. Our professor assigned a couple assignments to do instead of the Zoom class because obviously still need to learn. So I did those, just kind of on investigative journalism and top articles according to NYU. And now I have like 30 minutes until my next class, so I'm just gonna chill out. It's a Friday and it's early and I'm exhausted, so yeah. Okay, I'm out of class. I'm going to get food now. That was a really slow class. And I think I want a nap. So, yeah. Okay, hello. I'm back. I took a nap. It was really good. I actually feel a lot better. So, I have a mingling session at the visitor center, which means I get to go talk with parents and prospective students. So, per usual, I'm like insanely early. So, I'm actually in what we call the law quad. And I need to get a journalism project done with taking some photos on campus. So I'm gonna do that right now because why not? Alright, so here's the first photo I chose to send in. And then here's the second photo I chose to send in. And hopefully, I'm supposed to take 6 photos. 2 of them have to be on Northeastern campus. So hopefully that's perfect for the 2 on Northeastern campus. So the other 2 have to be from a historical site in Boston, and the other 2 have to be newsworthy photos. And thankfully we're getting a big storm tomorrow, so that's news right there in the sun. So I'll just take a photo of the snow, and that's one. So yeah, we'll see. Okay, here's the deal. So I'm always nervous about being late to things, like on the T or just walking in general. Like you really don't know how long it's gonna take. It's very early. So anyway, I'm sitting here. Also, Megan, and I'm gonna put her profile out here. She's a dancer on TikTok, and she answered one of my questions in her Q&A on Instagram today, and I'm just dreams fulfilled. So yeah, that's cool. Also, No Limits, the group that I'm choreographing for, followed me on Instagram, so that's cool too.
Almost recognize me, but they don't quite recognize me.
I'm so excited. That was so fun. I really didn't do as much as I did last English shift, but I got to talk to a few people, and then I actually just got to meet like people in the visitor center. So I met a couple girls from the dance team here, thinking of re-auditioning simply because they were so friendly. And then I just learned a little bit more about the organization, and yeah. So now I have to finish this journalism project. I'm going to head out to Mission Hill and see if I can get people to give me quotes for this project. We're gonna see. Let's go. Okay, so far no dice. Like, I don't know. We're just walking until we find someone. Rejection 1. Okay, Okay guys, I got my first person. That only took one rejection to get one person. Like that never happens. She's so nice. She was a Northeastern co-op. Her name was Lindsay. Thank you if you're watching this. Second rejection and third rejection, but we're still feeling strong. I'm at Brigham Ones. Let's go see. I think I just got really lucky. This really kind woman, she just was walking out and I did my little spiel. I was like, I'm a journalism student, like would you be willing to talk with me about President Biden's first year in office? And she jumped right on it. She was like telling me everything and gave me all of her information, and it only took like 2 more rejections. This did not happen last time. Last time I got rejection after rejection. I had to go to different spots, I had to go to different places. So yeah, I'm just really excited. So the requirement for this project is to get things in 3 different spots. So my first one was at Harvard Medical, my second one was at Brigham Women's, and now I need to go to an entirely different spot and get out of Mission Hill. So we're gonna do that. We're in Prudential. We're gonna find out if this is gonna work or not. A lot of these people are like tourists. I gave in and went for a Starbucks break. It's not easy being out here doing all this. Gotta say, it's mentally exhausting to try and talk to people and get people to talk to you and everything like that. But I think I got really lucky. But if I don't get anything right now, I'll just head back and we'll figure it out. My assumptions were completely right. Ran into some people from Colombia that they were not gonna, yeah, you know. One girl from Argentina, one guy from West Africa. It's just not going my way over here, and I knew that. I should not have come here, but I thought I might get lucky. The sweetest thing is like they wanted to help. Like they were like, tell us what to say, like we'll say it. I was like, I'm sorry, that's not how it works. Okay, back on the street again. Here, I'm gonna give myself 10 more minutes, see what we can do. If not, we're gone. Y'all, we did it. Person number 3 came through. He was a retired Northeastern professor from the biochem area. So I don't know, like maybe I should try and get another person just because, you know, that just seems like a little too easy. Like obviously he was gonna help a Northeastern student. But yeah, we're back.
Audio Jungle.